Alright, hey folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to get into, we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to do an unboxing. So, in my last video, I went ahead and I reviewed Janet Collection, Kinky 28-inch, and I referred to a wig that I saw on TikTok. Now, I purchased this wig. I opened it, but I did not open it. So we're going to go ahead and do it together. Like, I cut it open to see, but I did not. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so this wig is supposed to be the viral synthetic wig on TikTok. Let me show you what she comes with. So first off, she comes with a wig bag, which is so cute. Wig never land anytime, anywhere. That is adorable. Love it, love it, love it. It should have came with a hanger too, but you know, whatever. It came with some lashes. It also came with the HD wig cap in the clear color. Oh, I'm talking ish. I'm talking ish. Y'all see it? Okay, so she comes with the hanger. Definitely going to hang up my wig. And this is what the wig, or how the wig comes. This is how the wig comes. Mind you, so this company, I don't even know the company's name. If I go about looking back, I'll put it down on the bottom of the screen. So let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if you happen to like what you see, you will go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yes. So, okay. This is what Miss Thing is looking like. I got her in this color because I figured it's fall time. Why not get her in a copper color? She comes fully stuffed. This is her guts, her inside. She got the two combs on the side, the one in the back, strap that comes off. That can come off. Ooh. And she thicker than a Snicker too. Love it. Lace is definitely a 13 by 6. Let's see what she looks like here. This is what the front is looking like. HD, somewhat lace. I'm gonna get you all the information because I'm here. I'm telling you, but this is an unofficial unboxing without her information, of course. All I know is that I purchased her off of TikTok. That's all I know, and she's synthetic. So yeah, there's that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try her on. Let's see what she's giving. She seems to be big head friendly. The cap is very stretchy. I like it. It's breathable. Let's go ahead and try her on and see how this... I feel like this is on backwards. Let me fix this real quick. I feel like that is going to get on my nerves. Hold on. I got to take this whole thing off. What? Strap comes all the way off. I'm fixing it because I don't want this part to be pressed up against the back of my head, because that's going to hurt. So let's fix this way. I love the fact that this comes all the way off. Baby, give me more wigs like that. Because you use it if you want to. You don't use it if you don't want to. You feel me? So obviously, she's going to be glueless. Obviously. She's already feeling like she's big hair friendly. Flip. It's all about the flip method. Let's see. Oh Lord, that forehead is foreheading. Okay. Hold on, let me, because I didn't see what I'm doing. Then y'all need to see what I'm doing. What the hell? Wow. Okay, so wow. Shh. Y'all see that? Minus the fact that this is so super duper long. I don't think I've ever had this be this long before. Never. Ooh. But she is nice for a synthetica. Baby. Oh my God. Wow, I literally have no words. You can part her straight down the middle, do a nice little middle bust down. Kick her off to the side. You know I like that little flip over. You know I'm all about that flip over. Baby. Oh no. She nice. What is that, velvet? Alright, so I'm about to go about putting her all the way together. I'm gonna go about putting her all the way together. And then, this is what the side is looking like. And then come back to y'all and tell you my thoughts on her, which you can already tell. Your girl's impressed. She's impressed. Alright, so let me go ahead and go pluck her. And then we're gonna put her all the way together. Okay, so I'm gonna be straight up honest with you guys. Do not buy this wig. Do not buy this synthetic wig. Don't spend your coins. Don't do it, because your girl's about to go ahead and get more. And if I post this and you guys sell her out, I'm gonna be very tight. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because I feel like I need her in the 11B, because she is that girl. Okay. Honestly, let's just go into the pros. Pro number one, she looks good. The color, amazing. The texture, she's the kinky. She has, what, 180 density. She's thicker than a Snicker. She looks good. She melted perfectly. Big head friendly. She's just an all in all good wig. Middle part, flip, up in a bun. I tried it all, and honestly, I'm not mad at this wig at all. I was very scared at first, but I'm not mad at her at all. Cons. The only con that I have, honestly, is the fact that she is going to tangle like a mug. As you can see, as I'm playing with her, she's tangling. But I feel like, and I haven't tried it yet, but I feel like if I straighten her on the bottom, she might stay in place. Because the top definitely stays in place, but the bottom, I'm not too sure. That's the only con that I have, honestly. But other than that, like, this girl is serving. When I say serving, she is serving. I will advise you to maybe keep like a little brush on you when you're wearing this wig. But for her price point, she's under $40. Again, I got her off the TikTok shop. You can't go wrong. I'm like really tempted to buy her in a darker color, but this one, she just eats down. And again, she melted really well. I should have probably let her melt a little bit longer, because when I took off the band, it was sticking to my forehead, so I didn't let her melt the way I was supposed to. But yeah, I was able to pluck her. She a 13x6, baby. Come on, man. Middle part, side part, up, down, sideways. She is adorable. I would advise you to get this wig. That's just my thought process. You might not think so, but she's giving off human hair dupish, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's all I got. But alright guys, listen, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one off the TikTok shop, baby, you will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, see you in my next video. Later.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.